How you can set a single name or a one-word name on your Facebook. So Facebook does not allow you to have a single word name after the update because there have been a lot of spam accounts. So in order to control that, Facebook has this new rule where you have to include your last name on your Facebook account. So in order to set only your first name as your default on a Facebook profile, just follow these steps. You cannot do this with your regular Facebook app, so you will need your Facebook Lite and a VPN that is reliable. There are a lot of free VPN on your Play Store. You can find one, and I'm using this one called Super VPN. By default, it will auto select a country, but what you really want to do is select any Asian countries like Singapore or Japan. I'm just going to choose Singapore for now. And once you do that, you can connect it to your Singaporean server. Once your VPN is connected, as you can see, it's now connected right now, and there is this key icon on my status bar. So what I can successfully do now is open my Facebook, and from here you want to tap on the three dots at the top right. From here, just go to your settings, scroll down and open your settings, and head over to your account center. Now, to change your name, what you need to do is tap on your profile and tap on your Facebook. Now, tap on name to change it. You have to note that once you change your name, you cannot change it for 60 days. Unfortunately, it has not been 60 days since I last changed my name, so I'm not able to change my name. But what you really want to do is connect your VPN and make sure it's connected while you do this. So just select your middle name or last name and remove them. And what you really want to do is tap on your surname and enter 2 or 3 spaces on that blank spot. And then click on Save Changes. And then Facebook will take the space as new characters on your surname, and you should be able to set one name. And that's how you do the one name trick on Facebook.